O people, the kind and all-knowing has informed me that I am about to be called and I will answer soon. You bear witness that I have delivered the message, been sincere, and worked hard. So may God reward you with goodness.
Then he took Imam Ali's hand and raised it so that all the people could see him.
Allah is my master, and I am the master of the believers, and I have more right over them than their own selves. So for whoever I am his master, then Ali is his master. O Allah, befriend whoever befriends him, antagonize whoever is hostile to him, support whoever supports him, and abandon whoever abandons him.
Then he addressed the people.
O people, let the witness inform the absent person. Allah is great for the completion of the religion, the completion of the blessing, the Lord's satisfaction with my message, and the guardianship of Ali after me.